I oddly like this side better than this side. Why? If you don't know how to work on your blush, look no further, and no-brainer one. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. When I finished this video, I realized I didn't actually do a opening. Here we go. Got a few new things. And can you see my finishing today? Especially guys, especially this area. High class, elegant, beautiful. That's from those two. TIMAGE, New Florasis highlighter, and Charlotte Tilbury's eyeshadow palettes. Do not skip, and please watch until the end. This Charlotte Tilbury's, this one, is new to me, but the product itself isn't new. The packaging is very pretty. It's like a shell marble reflection at the base and with the lovely stars. And inside the colors are very interesting. This shimmer color is the most interesting one. You can tell it's double toned. There is only one matte color, which is the dark brown burgundy color. Those two are more satin finish, and this one is the double toned reflection. It has like a burgundy base, but it has blue, green, and purple reflection. It's this as a base. As it's satin finish, make sure you contour your eyes as well. Then use this one to get this color very close to the lash line. It is actually quite nice, just finish as it is with the eyeliner and the lashes, right? Then let's use this main color today. It doesn't really show by use brush. Maybe use finger. Yeah, you will have to use finger. Or maybe just a, damped brush. Ooh, very pretty one. Do the eyeliner first. Lastly is the dark brown burgundy one. It's not totally burgundy, it's more like brick red to smudge the wing. Okay, now finish the lashes. It is very pretty. What I like about the Charlotte Tilbury's eyeshadows is that you don't need too much technique, but the result, it just looks very high class. I think if you like a daily look, I think for myself, how I would use this palette, I would, unless I need occasions that with this smoky eye looks, otherwise I probably just use those couple of colors on the top just to finish a simple daily look. Okay, next one is a new blush from TIMAGE. Have a look, the packaging. Oh, it's literally like jade reflection, although it is plastic, and it's very good size. See, it's quite big, and when you open, there are 3 colors. Color A is for brightening up the center of your face. Color B is as the main color of your blush. And color C is the colors you can use to join your blush with the contour. It designed very practical, hey? It is very fine powder. From these swatches, you can't see too much. They're fairly light, but let's try it on the face. I'm going to use the lightest color for the middle of the face. I think you guys can tell the difference, can you? Here it seems like more flat, more like even surface, and compared to this side. Okay, then use this one, which says is the main color for your blush. Oh, it's much more effective using on the face. Because on the hand, you can't really tell, can you? But you can clearly tell from the face. Oh, I really like this color. It's just very natural. Very, very natural. But effective. Okay, let me change a different brush. Dip into this color, which is like a transaction color, to connect the contour at the blush, which you use more towards the contour area. It's so good. It's really, really good. Guys, if you're struggling with blushes that you always feel looks a little bit odd on yourself, let me get my color. 04. This one isn't in the top popular colors, but I try to see if I can find the link for international website. If I found it, I will leave it in the description box. Last two are from Florasis. Those two are sent by Florasis, which is their new highlighter, and it is available on their website now. They sent me two colors. One is called Quartz Glow and the other one is Amber Glow, number 1 and number 2. Start from the packaging. Very beautiful covering, like shell reflection. This is the number 1 Quartz Glow. It's more champagne based glow. Look at the detailed carving. And this is number 2. They're a little bit too pretty to be touched. Are they different formula? Can you guys see? When I touch 02, this one, it's kind of a melted straight away. It's much more wet and softer than 01. 01, 02. 01 is a beautiful champagne highlighter. And the reflection is really, really smooth. And number 2 is pink undertone, but it's like a double tone reflection. It's have a little bit of goldy undertone. Let's use both today. I'm going to use this type of brush, which is a little bit dense, so will give you a stronger result. I would recommend that if you like more subtle result, use more softer and smaller brush. Let me start from the number 1 and on this side. Oh wow. For a daily look, this is more than enough and sufficient. But for today, let me just get a little bit more. It's a very glow reflection you can certainly build up. I'm sure you guys also can tell it doesn't emphasize your skin condition. I have quite a lot of fine lines in this area, hence I don't usually use very bright highlight. But even like, it's the second layer, which is quite brightening already. Make this area looks bright and a little bit wet. And let me do this one, 02. Okay, again, here, no reflection. Oh wow, this is more subtle than I expected. And now I got very, very close. I can't get closer to show you guys. This color is very interesting because I thought I wouldn't really like it because the color undertone, but when you dust it on top of a blush, it seems to look even natural than the champagne one. Okay, I may say it too early. Let me put another layer on. Okay, when you put the second layer on, there are more like slightly towards goldy reflection. Got stronger. I zoom you guys out to the normal distance. Which one do you prefer? I oddly like both because champagne this color, number one, is kind of no-brainer for especially my skin tone. Is a absolutely no-brainer. It will look nice, which I expected. And for Florasis quality, this is exactly what I wanted and expected this going to be perform on the skin. But surprisingly, the number two, when I opened it, which I really didn't put too much hope on, it looked weirdly nice. Not weirdly as the performance, but it's just very out of my expectation. Because this type of colored highlighter, I never really, go for it. But you guys can tell, right? This side, it melts onto your skin and with your blush even better than this side. This side, when you tilt it, is a slightly more gold-silver reflection, right? It's more like spotlights wetter. But this side, when you tilt it, see, it's like on top of your blush had a sun kiss, that type of reflection. If that make any sense to you. Okay, I really need your guys' feedback. Have you tried this new highlighters yet? If you have, which color you got? Do you like it? Any of you got number two? What do you feel? I prefer here more than here. Oh, I forgot the nose. Wow. Hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down here. I have more videos coming out. See you guys soon.